What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Closet Nerds here. Do me a favor, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and join the family, okay? Join us as we explore this beautiful world of 3D printing. Now let's get straight to this. I already made an Infinity Gauntlet a while back, and me being, me, I didn't really care much for even recording and doing the whole finished product or none of that. So now that I am, my son asked me the other day, he said, "Dad, can you make me an Infinity Gauntlet?" I'm like, "Son, I already made one." He was like, "No, make me one." So I'm like, why not? So I had to scale it down a bit. As you can see, this should be big enough for him. I got this one from Nano Industry. I'll leave a link below in the description. How am I gonna do the lights this time? I'm good at it. I'm gonna try it like this. Instead of me doing all the wiring and stuff I did with the last one, I just ordered these off Amazon. Little infinity stones. Grab a few magnets, add such. Hold on. These little tiny ones, and stick them in the inside, and they should just stick together. I believe so. Wait a second. There's it. Boom. See, and stick it like that. Pretty solid, pretty strong. So, let's get started. Okay guys, now that we have this part done, I gotta let that dry for a little bit. Now let me get this, take care. The actual forearm here. And I know you guys are wondering, why orange? All I can say is trust the process. This is paint and primer. I'm gonna sand it down anyway, but trust the process, okay? Okay, had to take the mask off for a second, guys. But we're gonna let this dry. All right. I already have the fingers. I already painted those, but it's on the other side of the room, and I only have one camera set up right now. So that is what it is. Probably gonna let this dry for about maybe 4 hours, right before I hit it with the sanding and everything, because this is gonna be pretty awesome when I'm done with it, and I want it to be perfect. Well, there's no such thing as a perfect print, but I want it to look as good as possible. So stick around, and if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. Join the nation, join the Nerd Nation. I can't stress that enough, all right? Stick around. All right, guys. As you can see, I have it pretty smooth, I believe. Not as smooth as it can get for me. But we will see. I can see the lines. Can't feel them anymore. So maybe it'll fill in. Sorry about that, guys. I just got a package. Kind of spooked me. Get that smooth as possible. And again, trust the process. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. That's about 2 coats. Nice smooth to me. So, the answer to the why orange. I saw Frankly Built use this method, and if you guys haven't seen his channel, dope dope content. Really good channel. If you're into 3D printing, he can definitely show you step by step. And I'm just using his method right now. So what I'm gonna do right now is hit it with a nice gold, nice metallic gold, before I hit it with the red. And this is actually my base coat that I'm gonna use. So, oh man, I keep forgetting to put my mask on. Sorry about that, guys. I just hit it with a light coat of gold and the camera cut off. I'm sitting here running my mouth the entire time and it's not showing anything. So I'm gonna let this dry. And like Frankly Belt says, trust the process. As you can see, I'm hitting it with a light dust, like a quick dust over there with this metallic red, only because if you hit it too hard, it's gonna run. So I'm gonna let that kind of dry, hit it again in between. So stick around like always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. Now do you believe me? Now do you believe me? How many times do I have to tell you? TTP. Trust the process. Look at that. Now I have to peel that tape off. That is a pretty beautiful coat. Now, what I'm gonna do right now is peel off some of the tape and retape certain parts, and then I'm gonna hit it with the metallic, I believe metallic gray? Metallic dark gray. I believe that's what I'm gonna hit it with. Matter of fact, let me grab it, show you guys exactly what I'm gonna do. It's not even a metallic gray. It's a dark steel, metallic dark steel. I'm gonna hit it with this. So, you made it this far with me. Hopefully you guys are entertained and learning something. Be right back. Well, guys, this is it. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And if I don't know if you guys can see that the lights are on. Yeah, boom. The stones actually work, as you can see. Pretty dope, right? Wait, there's one more thing I wanted to show you guys before we leave. You remember the infinity stones I showed you earlier? Yeah. Like I said, these are magnetics. So I just simply take them off like this. Click it once it blinks. 2 times a little slower. 3 times to keep them on. And they do stick back. No problem. Catch you on the next video.